Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Shout out kay Lori D. Magalpok. Yan, salamat po sa suporta mo sa Team Kalingap. Mabuhay po kayo. Yan po, paki-subscribe po mga Kalingap, mga kaibigan. Lori D. Magalpok.
Ayan, suporta po natin si Ma'am Lori D. Magalpok. Napaka-solid supporter and isang Kalingap. Subscribe po na kanyang YouTube channel. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. God bless po. Jesus loves you.
YouTube channel. This is Lori D. Magalpok Vlogs. Sama ko si Sir Mar, si Miss Marie. Ayan. And welcome again. Nandito tayo sa City Hall ng Calamba, Laguna. Ito ipapakita namin sa inyo kung gaano siya kalaki at gaano siya kaganda. Pero alam niyo, mas maganda dito sa gabi kasi ang dami-daming mga ilaw-ilaw dyan. Dahil Christmas pa naman, happy Three Kings everyone. O, ang laki-laki ng Christmas tree natin dyan. Let's go. Papasok tayo sa loob.
Let's have a little recap about this City Hall of Calamba. Did you know that the Calamba City Hall, or the Gusaling Panlungsod ng Calamba, is officially the City Hall of Calamba? It is located in the Plaza of Calamba, Laguna, in the Philippines. It is where the mayor of the city holds office and the chambers in the Calamba City Council. The old Calamba City Hall was located near St. John the Baptist Church and the Calamba Clay Pot, which is the current site of City of College in Laguna. Calamba, also officially the City of Calamba, is the first-class component city in the province of Laguna in Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 539,671 people. It is bounded in the east of Laguna de Bay, in the north by Cabuyao, in the south by Los Baños, and in the west by Santo Tomas and Tanawan in Batangas, only 54 kilometers away from Metro Manila. Here are the services that the City of Calamba, Laguna has to offer. They have the certificates and IDs, business and trade, disaster and weather, contributions, education, employment, health, housing, passport and travel, social services, tax, and transport and driving. These are the services that City of Calamba, Laguna has to offer, where all the people can enjoy their privileges in arranging or processing papers in one area only. Thank you to Mayor Lahara for this good contribution in the City of Calamba, Laguna. Let's make a little bit of political history on this Calamba, Laguna. In the year 1770, it's marked the creation of the town of Calamba. Going back and a little farther, it was believed that the first group of settlers stayed in Barangay Sukol, about 6 kilometers from the city of proper. With the coming of Spaniards, the whole land was converted into a hacienda, and in 1813, Calamba was placed in the hands of encargados by the Dominican brothers. During the American regime, the haciendas were divided into portions and sold by the Dominican brothers to the natives in the installment basis. At the time of the Japanese regime, Calamba, already a thriving community, underwent a transition of various political leaders. Images below itemizes the name of leaders and their equivalent years of service. From 1919 to 1941, three well-known political leaders have run the affairs of Calamba. Roman Lazaro served as the municipal president for 3 terms in 1919 to 1922, 1931 to 1934, and 1938 to 1941. Felipe Bellarmino served for 3 consecutive terms in 1923 to 1925, 1926 to 1928, and 1929 to 1931. And again, in 1943, Don Eduardo A. Barreto from 1935 to 1937. Among the 3, Roman Lazaro had the privilege of having served under 4 different forms of government: the civil government run by the Americans, the Philippine Commonwealth, the Japanese, and now the Republic of the Philippines. Some of his well-remembered accomplishments were the establishment of municipal cemetery located in Barangay Lecheria, the construction of the old municipal building, now converted into the City of College of Calamba, and the erection of the historical banga in the town plaza. While Roman Lazaro witnessed 4 government transitions, Tasciano Rizal and Mayor Severino J. Lahara served the longest term as mayor, although the latter served uninterruptedly for 10 years. It was during Mayor Lahara's term when municipality of Calamba was converted into component city in 2001. So again, congratulations, Mayor Lahara, for these very unforgettable experiences for all the people of Calamba that they are enjoying right now. Hindi natin inabutan si Mayor. Wala daw si Mayor. Ayan, nandiyan sa baba. Dito na tayo para makita natin ito. Hindi na po kami mag-elevator para makita natin ang area dito. Ayan, ganda. Luwag. Grabe. Ang laki nga. Ang laki ng kanilang City Hall. Ganda. Ang laki. Si Mayor Lahara. Congratulations, Mayor Lahara. You made a big history in Calamba town proper. Matutuwa si Lahara, si Mayor Lahara. Opo. Nood siya ng aking video. Pag na-upload ko to, yan, Mayor Lahara, hinanap ka po namin. Kaso hindi ka po namin naabutan. Kaya yan, inikot po namin ang iyong vicinity. Laki ng area. Ang laki ng area ng City Hall. May isa pa? May isa pa? May isa pa? Doon na tayo. Dito na. Sige. So, ayan. Pinangatawan na po namin. Hindi na po kami sumakay ng Jellybator. Nasa second floor na po tayo. Diba? Umuulan-ulan po, pero masarap-sarap naman yung umuulan. Ayan si Miss Marie ang ating kasama, tsaka si Sir Mar. Napakalinis. Ang linis ng area. Ang ganda-ganda ng area. Yun. Oo. Idol. Ito na yung baba.
sila dito. Oh. Lahat ng ipis. Oh, lahat ng hayop. So ayan po, 'di ba? Mapakalaki ng area ng City Hall. Oy, meron pa silang mobile health clinic, oh. Pa-check tayo ng ating ano. So dito po, nasa na tayo, Sir Mar? Ito naman po ay
Palabas na to.
oh, palabas na po tayo. Yan, oh. 'Di ba? Oo. So, nandito po tayo sa Tagliran kasi galing tayo doon kanina. Yan, saan pa? Yan, oh. Mobile health. Nakikinabang po ba ang lahat ng mga mamamayan dito?
Yes.
Sa mga sasakyan na yan?
Yes.
Mayroong ambulance, may patient. Madali po bang kumuha ng ambulance kapag meron pong emergency dito sa Kalamba? Okay.
Tawag mo lang.
So, thank you, Mayor Lahara. Salamat po.
Si ano ngayon ang
Sino po?
incumbent, si Mayor Ross Rizal.
Ross Rizal?
Rizal.
Ano po ni Jose Rizal?
Apo yan.
Apo! Ay, kailangan pong manalo ka. Itayo natin ang bandera ni Gat Jose Rizal. Po, tayo po ay nagtutour around Calamba area. At ngayon, papunta na tayo sa punta na po tayo sa arena. Tayo sa arena. Ayan, oh, maligayang Pasko at maligong bagong taon. Punta po tayo sa Coliseum. Ayun, yan na. Makakapasok po ba tayo dyan sa Coliseum? Tayo po ipapasok sa Coliseum. Paskuhan, oh. Yes, Jose Rizal Coliseum. Oh, Paskuhan. Ang lalaki talaga. Sana all. Mayor Lahara, thank you po sa pagpapaganda ng Laguna. Kalamba pala. Yan. Mayor Rizal. Alam ko ba si Mayor Lahara? Ay, susundan. Sige po. Dito tayo dadaan. Dito tayo. Ayan. Nagano po tayo, nagtutour po tayo. Ayan, si Jose Rizal. Tayo sa Jose Rizal Coliseum dito sa Calamba, Laguna. At umaambo na po. Oo, di ba? Yun o. Ang laki ni Jose Rizal. Magpa-picture tayo dyan mamaya. Ayan o. Ano? Ay, may umbrella din si Sir Mar. Oh. Boy Scout of the Philippines. Oh, ang dami pong sasakyan kasi nga tayo ay malapit sa ano. Malapit tayo sa City Hall.
Sa loob.
lokasyon nila.
Pupuntahan po natin ang
Tagalabas.
puntahan po natin ang
Taga City Hall.
Sarisal Coliseum. Hi! Ang layo na. Now you see and we see.
Sarisal Coliseum.
Yes. Kailan po ba ito ginawa? Ang Sarisal Coliseum.
Panahon niya.
Panahon ni
Si Mayor Chipeco.
Chipeco. Ano pong year yon? Ano pong year?
9 years.
9 years ago?
6.
At saan po tayo? Okay, we're here.
Sasawayan eh. Nagtang naka-uniform ako.
Yes. Yan po yan, no? Hindi po kayo pwedeng sawayin kasi si Sir Mar po ay naka-uniform po. Walang mananaway kay Sir Mar.
Tama lang.
Oo. Yan, papasok na po tayo sa Jose Rizal Coliseum. Wow! Uy! Ang laki. Hello po, ang lawak. Oo. So, nandito tayo sa loob.
Pag may okasyon,
Thank you so much, everyone. Nakapasok tayo sa Jose Rizal Coliseum. Andiyan pa rin kasama natin si Sir Mar at saka si Miss Marie. Yun! Ang laki. Ito daw pong ang capacity niya ay 10,000 people can go inside. Yan. Pero ang mga nakaupo lang po daw yun, ha? Pero yung mga nakatayo, hindi po kasama. So, times 2 po, 20,000. So, thank you so much again. And salamat po sa panonood sa ating video upload for tonight. This again, Lori D. Magalpo Vlogs. And I'll see you again sa ating next vlog, ang ating paggagala, ang ating tour around Calamba, Laguna. There's more to come. So, samahan nyo kami. Okay, gawa?